Good morning, baby Lexi. So big! How big is the baby? How big is the baby? How big are you? So big? Yeah. What do you want to talk about? La, 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 la. What are you going to say? You can tell me a secret. You tell me a secret. No way. You have food all over your face. You can't have this. You can't have this. Talk to Mama. Hello. What are you going to say? What's this? Is that for you? You show me what a big girl you are? Yep, I know how to feed myself blueberries. Huh. Oh. Oh. Are you all done? Are you all done? All done! Say bye-bye.